What's the first Chinese words you have ever learned? 99% of my students learned 你好 as their first Chinese word. So what about you? I believe you probably already know the meaning of 你好, but do you really? Or have you ever thought, does Chinese people really greeting like this in all circumstances? In this video, I will answer all these questions. First, 你好 indeed means hello or hi, and it is a very common greeting in China. You can use it in most of the circumstances. Most Chinese characters has its own meaning. In here, 你 means you, 好 means good. So literally it means you good, or I wish you good, or I bet you're doing good. It's a good wish to others when you're greeting them. Chinese is not only for characters but also for tones, because sometimes in Chinese, a same character but with a different tone will have a totally different meaning. Now, let's see the pinyin of 你好. 你 initial is n, final is yi, plus the third tone. Together is n, yi, ni. Then 好 initial is h, final is ao. So together is h, ao, hao. Both of them are third tone. Did you notice that the tone of 你 and the tone of 好 doesn't sound the same when they are together? 你 and 好, they both in the third tone when they spoken individually. And when they together, they pronounce like this. 你好. So when two third tones are together, the first one turns to the second tone, but is still written in the third tone. Normally, 你好 is more than enough for your daily use. But currently in China, lots of people, especially in younger generations, they are using hello or hi a lot rather than 你好. And gradually, 你好 is becoming a more formal way of greeting. Of course, you still could use 你好 in many circumstances. Why not all circumstances? Because when you see someone respectful, then 你好 is not enough. And we will use 您好. For example, when you see elder people, your teacher, your boss, or your client in a formal situation, you will use 您 instead of 你. So how could we remember it? You see, 您 has an extra 心, which is heart, and you are on my heart means I respect you. 您好, 呢赢您, 您好. So today you have learned how to greet in Chinese, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to know more about Chinese, please click this video. I see you in next video. Bye.